Budget session of Manipur Assembly begins. Governor V. Shanmuganathan says Manipur continues to strive for all-round development. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh presents budget for 2016-2017, says the state's economy continues to grow at an impressive pace. BJP Manipur Pradesh demands white paper on tourism development work of Manipur government. And 3, including 2 women injured as unidentified persons fire at a restaurant at Khurai Angom Laikai. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The 13th session of the 10th Manipur State Assembly began today with Governor of Manipur, V. Shanmuganathan, addressing the House. In his address, the governor maintained that the state continues to strive for all-round development and delivery of good governance for the welfare of the people. He said equitable and inclusion development with secular ideals has been the guiding values of the government. On law and order, the governor told the House that Manipur Police has been able to keep the law and order situation under control and maintain public order despite various constraints, and a smart police station is proposed to be set up in Imphal city. He said the state government will open 6 new fire substations at None in Tamenglong district, Saikul and Tadubi in Senapati, Yairipok and Wangjing in Thoubal district, and Nambol in Bishnupur district. Shanmuganathan also told the House that National Food Security Act 2013 is likely to be implemented in the state from April 2016 and 24.84 lakhs beneficiaries will be covered under this act. He said ongoing projects, namely Thoubal Multi-Purpose Project and Dolai Thabi Barrage, will be completed by early part of 2017, and the government is working towards providing 24-hour power supply by March 2017. The governor also stated that the priority is to provide quality healthcare services to the people, especially those living in rural and remote areas. To provide better healthcare facilities, 9 additional community health centers, 8 in the hills and 1 in the valley will be set up. 14 primary health centers, 12 in the hills and 2 in the valley, and 155 primary health sub-center, 153 in the hill and 2 in the valley. The governor said the center has approved setting up of Level 3 Trauma Care Center in 3 district hospitals in Senapati, Bishnupur, Churachandpur, and 1 Level Trauma Center at RIMS. He told the assembly that the outer earthen rampart of Bihu Lake Lokol and inscribed stones of Maharaja Chorachand and Maharaja Bhaigachandra were declared as protected monuments and sites. He said, keeping the focus on tourism, the government has taken up development work at tourist circuit in Manipur, that is Imphal, Moirang, Khomjong, More. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, who also holds the finance portfolio, today presented the budget for the year 2016-2017 and revised estimates for 2015-2016. Presenting the budget, Okram Ibobi Singh told the House that the union government has made far-reaching changes in terms of the composition and quantum of flow of central assistance to the state plan in the recent past. He said the 14 Finance Commission's recommendations for the state were far behind the government's expectations. Ibobi Singh said despite the pressure on government resources, the state's economy continues to grow at an impressive pace. He said the average growth from 2014-2015 to 2016-2017 is estimated to be 7.61%. The Chief Minister stated that the government has been able to contain the fiscal deficit at 3.6% of the GSDP in the last 5 years. Ibobi Singh said roads, power and irrigation infrastructure have been unprecedented expansion in the last decade. He told the House that during the ensuing fiscal year that the government will continue to give the highest emphasis to the infrastructure spending, both social and economic, such as power, roads, irrigation, education, health. The Chief Minister proposed a total expenditure of Rs 10,518 crore for 2016-2017. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh today demanded a white paper on the tourism development work done by the state government. A team of BJP workers led by Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh President Oinam Malish today visited ongoing tourism projects in Bishnupur district under the Ministry of Tourism. The team visited Khoiri Phaba, Jingphu Achauba and Jingphu Macha Ching, where the Ministry of Tourism has sanctioned the construction of integrated tourist circuit at an estimated cost of rupees 7 crore and 74 lakh in 2011. The Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha team, along with Nambol BJP Mandal, saw the progress of the work. They felt that the work is not proportionate to the amount sanctioned by the Ministry of Tourism for the development of the tourism in the state. The integrated tourist circuit must have tourist lodge, parking lot, wall fence and toilet. Oinam Malish said they will send a video of the projects to the ministry. BJP Nambol Mandal alleged that the government's work will cause damage to the present generation.
Karwasamaga kunse sidagina khoi sendrabu ki manungda thadagiba aduguma sanctioni retuga sanadaba polam khagleram se akoina laksiriba inquiry si marik chumba akoi party ki site ki su akoi recording tawraga hariba documents sing akoi ministry da tharaga manipur government na tawri se karamba aronbe agenda no haibase khangdonaba akoi madigi thigatpani yamna toina khabarda kaida akoi development tawrini na congress ki mla kharana manipur kananabani haidana tholopasi khoi leitonda saru pandena pongangang base masi topiwa phai ukhulda program ama yawba lakpada manipur gi territorial integrity da kaina nabagi kayama hairambada hairiba lebak ningba mla singduna karimta tumina leiraga hojik khoi gi leithopase am laibak thibani isagi sumang silaganda migi sumang sinaba honabiu.
A bomb exploded at the Eastern Hero showroom at Chingmairong Mamang Lekai last night at 11:30. Eastern Hero showroom is the authorized dealer of Hero Motorcorp Limited in Manipur. The blast damaged the shutter and glass door of the showroom, although no one was injured. No group has claimed the responsibility for the blast yet. Mention may be made that yesterday Hero Motorcorp's two-wheelers, Maestro Edge and Hero Duet were launched at the Eastern Hero showroom. The locals of Chingmairong Mamang Lekai staged a sit-in against the blast. It may be recalled that a powerful IED was planted near the gate of the Presidency College, Modbung, under Gamnong Sapar Maina on the night of February 17, and Manipur Police bomb squad safely exploded it. In another incident, a grenade was found at the gate of Okram Pisak Singh of Singzame, Okram Lekai on Thursday morning. Working Committee of Apunba Loop Coordinator in a press note questioned the silence of Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh and Home Minister Gaikhangam regarding the confession of suspended Head Constable Thaunajam Herojit in the 2009 Sanjeet and Rabina fake encounter case. At least 3 persons, including a minor girl, were injured when 2 unidentified armed men opened fire at a restaurant at Khurai Angom Lekai, Nakupi Farm. The incident occurred this morning around 10 at Ningthibi restaurant. The restaurant is owned by Laishram Senapati and Laishram Romita. The injured include 2 customers and the owner of the restaurant, Laishram Romita. The injured are identified as Yumnam Surajnanda, 23 years, son of Y. Monindro of Kongpal Chingabam Lekai, and a 14-year-old girl. Both of them were sitting inside the restaurant when the gunmen fired at them. Yunam Surajnanda is married and has a son. Surajnanda was hit on the side of the right eye, while the minor girl was hit in the left shoulder. Laishram Romita, 42 years, was hit by 3 bullets in the abdomen. Yunam Surajnanda and the minor girl were admitted to Jenims casualty, while Yunam Romita was admitted to Raj Medicity. Later, Surajnanda was shifted to Shira hospitals at Langol. No one has so far claimed responsibility for the attack.
Moi unalak poining de ai just my on top hamane ba moi changak pu ho tre ba ingan nga le ba khoi phami do ma pan de ne ba alma mai sangak pane ba aduma ꯃꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯝꯕꯗꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯖꯣꯀꯤꯡ ꯂꯤꯠꯂꯦꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯨꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯧꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯦꯕ
ꯏꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯝꯃꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯝ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯦꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯦꯟꯅꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ.
An eyewitness said one of the two unknown armed men went inside the restaurant and fired 2 bullets at the customers and 3 bullets at the owner.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯅꯝꯃ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅꯩꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯣꯏ ꯐꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯁꯇꯃꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯄꯨꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯞ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯃꯈꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯛ ꯇꯣꯛ 3ꯂꯛ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ 2ꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯇꯣꯛ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯣꯝꯆꯥ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯨꯟꯊꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯏ ꯄꯥꯈꯪꯗꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯏ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯃꯤꯇꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯕꯨꯛ ꯇꯨꯡꯂꯣꯝ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯦꯕ.
A dead body of an unknown person was discovered at the bank of the Tulsi Rock River in Turenkhu, Aimol village under Teknopal police station in Chandel district today. The body had bullet wound. The deceased appeared to be around 30 and wore black pants and black shirt. A maroon-colored ladybird cycle and 2 empty cases were found near the body. Teknopal police has deposited the body at Jennings morgue. National Revolutionary Front Manipur NRFM has denied the allegation made by Film Forum Manipur. In a press release, Information and Publicity Secretary of NRFM Sanajawa Maite said the allegation is baseless. He said the outfit sought help from the forum on November 27 last year during the Sangai festival, but it did not put any pressure on the forum. The press release also said it did not make unreasonable demand and had repeatedly asked the forum to clarify. The outfit banned all the activities of the forum as it did not reciprocate the request. The press release further said if the forum clarifies to the NRFM would immediately lift the ban. Works Minister Dr. Khumujam Ratan Kumar has stated that the construction of state highways, district and other roads will be done in mechanized way and the government has earmarked funds for the purpose. The minister today laid the foundation stone for a 170 feet long double reinforcement DDR Bailey Bridge over the Manipur Bridge at Konuma connecting Imphal West and Thoubal district. The estimated cost of the Bailey Bridge is rupees 425 lakh and it will take 24 months to complete the bridge. Dr. Ratan Kumar said the people of Konuma are facing problems due to absence of a bridge and they depend on boats for the transport. He said that Okram Ibovi Singh-led government is committed to the welfare of the people despite the financial constraints. He also said the government has obtained loans from NAMBARD to develop Imphal Cycle, Sagolmang, Lamsang to Sekmai, Imphal Yaripok roads and state highways. The minister mentioned that the bridge damaged by flood last year will also be repaired and sought the cooperation of the people for successful implementation of the government's plans. Hyanglam MLA Ilangbam Dijamani, officials of PWD attended the function. PWD Chief Engineer M. Lokendro said the bridge is single lane and if the pile foundation can be completed in this working season, the completion of the bridge will not take 2 years.
National Highway, State Highway sing, adagi major district road sing se, masi ayamba akoi tip top ta thamdana ba, akoi ki machine na tawraga WMM tawraga, akoi National Highway da tawriba thak sumaina, State Highway sing ju masi ki tawnana ba, hujik akoi kanna hona jabadagi RIDF ki makhada Rural Infrastructure Development Fund haidana, NABARD tagi loan lowraga, huji akoi ki Imphal Cycle Road, Cycle dagi Sagolmang, Moirang Kumbi Road, adagi Imphal Maya Imphal, adagi Sekmaijin dagi na koi Wagwai Lamkhai dagi na Kakching Lamkhai, Wagwai Lamkhai dagi Sugnu Daba, masukuma yamna maru epi state highway singse, masi huji akoi sanction leire, improve toba yabna toba, adagi akoi lambi pakthokpa yabna pakthokpa, thong saba yabna saba.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Ouch, I have lost myself again. ꯃꯥꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯚꯔ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯗꯤꯇꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯅꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ
ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯞꯁꯦꯠ ꯅꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯁꯥ ꯉꯥ ꯆꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯊꯤꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ
ꯂꯤꯞꯁꯞ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯕꯅ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯗꯤꯇꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯕ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯍꯥꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯐꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯝꯍꯜꯂꯦ
ꯂꯤꯚꯔꯕꯨ ꯐꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯁꯨ
Welcome back. You are watching Primetime News. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur (DESAM) has alleged that Manipur University has appointed various posts without notifying for them. DESAM has returned to the Prime Minister to look into the matter and initiate a CBI inquiry against the Vice Chancellor of the university. Speaking to media at DESAM office, President Moirangthem Angamba said a committee has been investigating the corrupt practices in Manipur University after it received complaints. He said the committee found that 7 non-sanctioned posts of junior assistant were appointed in the university. He also said that DESAM is prepared to make public the wrong practices in Manipur University.
Prime Minister da thakiba ekoi memorandum asidasu maruina aranba tawriba mayamsi gi chapchaba ekoi thabak pangthoknaba high power MICRT fact finding team ama thu matamda institute tawbiba hariba inquiry asi tawringi manungda tongan ba thabak lawbagi amadi appointment pibagi thabak university manungi oina loinamak lepiba tongan ba aranba tawriba tongan sel tum lana sinariba BCC matakta chapchaba thabak lokhatnaba amadi chapchaba inquiry ma tawbinaba tonganba independent body CBI gumana magi matakta thijinnabagi thabak lokhatpa Prime Minister ta thakriba sisu thabak to onthorkani habi thajaba thami makhata na DESAMna Manipur University gi matakta hojiji tawriba tongan ba aranba thabak thoramsing asi makhata na yengsankhigani.
For the first time, a free health camp for ponies was conducted at Manipur Pony Breeding Farm in Lamphilpat. Several ponies, including ponies of the farm, Manipur Polo Club and private ponies were checked up at the camp. The Pony Health Camp was organized by Central Agriculture University's Directorate of Research, Department of Animal Sciences, Manipur Pony Society, and Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. Manipur Polo Society President Dr. KSH Chojis said the camp was held with an aim to keep the ponies of the state healthy. Dr. T.H. Ranadhir, Head Department of Animal Sciences, Central Agriculture University said as ponies stray at the paddy fields, it is important to do deworming of such ponies.
Sagolingsi masa phana thamnanaba laina tina changdanaba amsung tungdala kadaba laina tina kading akthokpa yanarabagi free health care masi koi pangthokpa horakpani
leiriba management gi style se yamna extensive system of koi rearing oibani na yamna loi thadoga thamani na makoi si laina tina yamna thoropagi kudong thibadu lei thena pamdaba machinjak sing lambi lamkhangdi chasin ba maru oina plastic chaba sina maru oiraga makoi system da sanghibini tumda pot oibani na masina magi health sugi matik vulnerable oiba hena seriousness lakpagi dungma problem mayam alai hana koi na wamlo laiba si masigi magi body da leiba cycle si wamyam ji hato gangtang masi break tawraga aduga yaringi population ji cover tawraga di masi wangi posi handan gani haibagi wakalon da ninga si aikoina sigumba health care masi koi pangthok serivsi.
Union Minister Food Processing Industries Harsimrat Kaur Badal inaugurated the vibrant Northeast 2016 Summit and Exhibition in Guwahati yesterday. Speaking at the summit, Badal said the northeastern states are rich in resources and the NDA government is committed to address the issue of development of the northeast. She said the focus of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to ensure wholesome development of the northeast region and link farmers with modern technology-driven agricultural practices and also to accelerate the pace of developmental projects in this region. The minister also said the Ministry of Food Processing Industries is pursuing development of Northeast through its schemes of Mega Food Park, cold chain, abattoir and development of food testing laboratories. 5 cold chain projects have also been sanctioned by the ministry in Assam, Manipur and Mizoram. She said the Ministry of Food Processing Industries has sanctioned 6 food testing labs in Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura for creating infrastructure for food safety and quality testing. All 46 central universities will fly the tricolor atop a 207 feet tall flag mast prominently and proudly on their campuses to signify a strong India, and the first will be hoisted at Jawaharlal Nehru University. A resolution adopted at a meeting chaired by Human Resource Development Minister Smriti Irani in Delhi said yesterday. The resolution, which was one of the 12 passed, had come against the backdrop of a raging controversy over anti-India slogans allegedly raised at a meeting of students at the JNU campus on February 9. The meeting of all Central University heads was called mainly to sensitize them on discrimination on university campuses, an issue that has been in the spotlight since research scholar Rohit Vemula's suicide in Hyderabad Central University. The meeting was attended by all Central University VCs except the head of Rajiv Gandhi University in Arunachal Pradesh. The Supreme Court today refused to hear the bail plea of Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union President Kanhaiya Kumar, arrested on sedition charges, agreeing that the situation in Patiala House Courts is not proper. An apex court bench of Justice J. Chamleshwar and Justice Abhay Manohar Sapre transferred Kanhaiya's petition to the Delhi High Court. While doing so, the Supreme Court asked the High Court to hear the plea expeditiously. The court also recorded the statement of Solicitor General Ranjit Kumar that the lawyers representing Kanhaiya Kumar before the High Court and media personnel be provided with full security. The apex court directed its Secretary General to forthwith transfer Kanhaiya's writ petition and related papers to the High Court. Now the news from the world of sports. NFC Sagolban Moirang Lerak has entered the final of the first Youth Integration Club Kaisamthong Maning Longjam Laikai under 21 for men's A-side football tournament. In the tournament's second semi-final match, NFC Sagolban Moirang Lerak beat YIC B Kaisamthong Longjam Laikai 6-4 to reach the final. Klasa FA Kaino and YICB Kaisamthong Longjam Laikai will clash for the third place tomorrow. In the third Oinam Charlie Memorial Open 5A side football tournament, Sangai FC Thangmeiban and WFC Moirangkhom won their respective matches. In a league match played today, Sangai FC Thangmeiban player Sova scored a solitary goal to defeat NOFC Ningthaujam Laikai 1-0. In the second league match, WFC Moirangkhom player Rahul scored a goal in 28 minutes to trounce Real Sagolbar by 1-0. 22 teams are competing in the tournament, which began from the 14th of this month. In the first state-level juvenile club 7A side men's open football tournament, match between JC Salam B and Real Madrid Salam ended in a draw. In the 12 league match played at club's ground in Salam Mamang Laikai, JCB Salam and Real Madrid Salam scored 3 goals each in the given time. 8 teams are competing in the tournament. In the 12 under-16 THB Birachandra Singh Football Academy tournament, LFA Thinungai B and TDC FC Mayang Langjing beat their rivals today. In the 8th league match today played at Academy's football ground in Tabungkok, LFA Thinungai B defeated THB Rachandra Football Academy B Tabungkok by 4-2. In the 9th league match, TDC FC Mayang Langjing beat MSC Malom by 2-1. 10 teams are competing in the tournament, which began from the 15th of this month. In the 10th league match to be played tomorrow, Mtuk Malom will take on KLYC Irilbung, while in the 11th league match, TBSFA Team A Tabungkok will clash with Klasa FA Kaino. The list of selected candidates for National Sports Academy Academic Session 2016-2017 has been released. The list can be availed at the notice board of the NSA Administrative Office notice board. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Budget session of Manipur Assembly begins. Governor V. Shanmuganathan says Manipur continues to strive for all-round development. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh presents budget for 2016-2017, says the state's economy continues to grow at an impressive pace. BJP Manipur Pradesh demands white paper on tourism development work of Manipur government. And 3, including 2 women injured as unidentified persons fire at a restaurant at Khurai Angom Lekai.